everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Python and PyCharm step by step. Whether you're new to coding or just getting started with Python, this guide will have you set up in no time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description for more useful resources. Let's dive in. Here we are on the Python homepage. To begin the download, simply go to the Downloads menu. By clicking the Download button, you will obtain the executable file necessary for the installation. Yes, the download is complete, so let's proceed with the installation. I will select both these checkboxes and then choose the Customize Installation option. Since we will need all these optional features for our upcoming sessions, I will select each of them to ensure we have everything required. I will select all of these options as well and proceed with the installation. Installation may take a few moments, so I will fast forward to when it's complete. I will search for environment variables in the Start menu. This step is to verify that the Python paths are correctly set in the environment variables list. From here, click the path variable twice to open the list. You should then see that the Python paths have already been added during the installation. To verify that Python is installed correctly, I will check the version using the command line. As you can see, the version is displayed, confirming that the installation was successful. Next, I will proceed with the installation of PyCharm. I will search for PyCharm download in the browser. We can select the first link in the search results. On the PyCharm download page, you'll see options to download either the Professional Edition or the Community Edition. The Professional Edition requires a purchase license, but for most development purposes, the Community Edition is sufficient and available for free. You can choose to download either version based on your needs. I have already downloaded the installer, so I will now run the executable file and proceed with the installation. You can choose the folder path and then click the Next button. In this section, you can choose your preferences. I will select all the options here, as PyCharm will be my primary add for Python development. The installation may take a few moments, so I'll fast forward to the completion. Now, I will search for and open PyCharm. As you can see, PyCharm has been successfully installed. In the next session, we will create a project and begin our tutorial. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next session with more tips and tutorials.